What are you guys doing out here? I just like the size of the roach. Out there. So look guys. Yeah. Check this shit out guys. We're on our way to Crystal Lake. What are you guys doing out here? Hell yeah. You guys flying around and shooting deer in those or what?
Oh yeah, all day long.
Oh, that's badass guys. Have a good one. You said jerking off? That's fucking badass. This was rigging one of these up. The micro TRDs. I didn't even know they had these.
Micro turds.
The micro turds. Hopefully you can get that shit here today. Like hopefully the grass isn't that fucking crazy.
Look at that.
What the? I just like the size of the roach. Keep that one.
I'm gonna throw one of those on that shit.
Oh, which one? Oh, go ahead. Here, I'll shoot you another head.
I catch a fucking
These are rare right here. This is some rare shit.
I'm not sure the hell you get these little ass ones.
Bro, they were on sale. Oh no, these weren't on sale. They were like $5. Check that.
True. You ready to weedless?
Yeah, I be doing my shit like that all the time. Check that guy. Check that out, guys. Yo, the TRD. Bro! Whoa! Dog! This here is the whole fucking fish fillet, bro. This is a fucking... Bro! This is a whaleable fucking one. Get the fuck out of here, dude. Look at this thing. I let it hit the bottom, bro. That shit, that TRD, dog. First cast on it. Look at this thing. Feel how cold he is.
Fuck, that's a tape.
Dude. That's a slabberoonie, dog. I'm keeping him for my fish tank. And I just play. Dang, he was barely hooked too. He's a feisty boy. 0.61. Not bad for a green sunfish. Let's go. Look at his fucking face. He got some good. He has a good grill on him too.
Yeah.
Got him. Let's get a release on old boy. Wow. I'll take one more picture in my hand. If he escapes like this, he escapes. Bro, what the fuck? Damn. This was actually the only bite we got this day. It was really tough. It was caught on the first cast and on the first time I used that micro TRD. Transitioning into a quick catch I did at the Aqueduct that I kept. No longer keeping fish because I found out it's illegal, but fucking yeah. Enjoy. Got one. There he is on the flicker shad. He's a nice stubby one. Damn, he's nice. I almost want to keep him. It's a nice chatteroony. I think I keep this guy, guys. He's a nice little Chad. He's bigger than the... He'd be the second biggest. Oh, I got him right in his eye. Let's see. He's chatted out like he's a look how these fools built. He's a fatty. He's just hanging here. He's hanging out right here, just fucking mowing down those fucking what is it? Silver sides. I'm gonna take this beautiful guy home, guys. Stay tuned. Guys, check out this absolute stud. Look how chunky he is. We're taking him home, guys. I only was able to manage one largie, but the only one that mattered. He's a stubby nice green one. He's chatted up. He hit a crankbait, so that's how you know he's a Chad. And his belly was full. All right, guys, I'll pull up my son and I'm gonna show him his new fish. Let's see how he reacts, guys. All right, guys, just got home. Zeke, my boy. Yo. Guess what, Papa? I got you a new fish. You see what you got there? Show the guys. Yeah, I got a new one for you. Look, maybe you can see him from here. Look in here. It's right here. There's a fish in there, Papa. Fish. Let's go upstairs. Come on, let's go. Let's go. So chill out. Let's go, let's go, let's go. These fish are hungry, so I don't know how they're gonna react. Let me turn the light on for you guys. There's a fish in here, Papa. Don't touch it. Not yet. Lights on. Let me show you guys what we're working with here. Got some food here. Oh, I heard the fish. Got him out. It's gonna be a quick transition into from here. It's the tank. Still gonna lip him, but hold him on the pencil. He's good to see. Zeke, look at your new fish, Papa. Whoa! Touch him. If I put him in, touch it. Nah, I can't put him in your. Okay, I'll put him in your hand. Whoa! Let's put him in. Ready? Wow. He's a little chaparrito, so I might call this for Chapo. What you think, Zeke? Your new fish, Chapo? He's a lot thicker than this one. This is the homie Dientes. This fool, I still haven't officially named him. I think I might keep him at Toad because he holds it down. But this compa down here, this is the homie Chapo. He's a shorty boy. We got balazos over here. Alrighty, guys, thanks for watching. If you guys enjoyed the video, consider subscribing. I might put out a possible video this Friday. If not, be on the lookout for it next week. If you guys enjoy the pet eating videos, I have a pet feeding playlist on my channel. Go ahead and check that out. And besides that, guys, see you guys next week and keep on fishing.